Right now, we are going to glue together some PVC piping here. So the drain pipe here in my bathroom, I need to glue this on so that we can install the P-trap and get everything working here. So for this, I'm using this primer plus cement. They always sell these in a kit. I don't know, you probably can buy them separately, but they're always sold in a kit like this because you kind of use them together. Now, one thing of note, this one here, the primer, you just need to use it on CPVC and PVC. You don't need it on ABS. Now this cement you can use on all three of those, PVC, CPVC, and ABS. The primer actually breaks down the plastic a little bit. So, you know, the chemical makeup between PVC and ABS is different, so you don't need the primer. If you use the primer on ABS, it'll kind of warp it and break it down. And that's what it says. I've never actually done it. I've only used it here on PVC piping. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the primer, and it's purple, and it does have the brush included. So we're just going to take off the lid here. Now I have put down a piece of cardboard here to catch anything that drips. I don't want it to get in the bottom of the vanity here. So with the brush here, I'm just going to let a little bit of it drip off there, and then we're just going to go around in a circle motion around the pipe here and just get a nice coating. So I'll get a nice coating here, a little bit deeper than where we actually need to go. And once I'm done there, I will do that on the inside of my pipe here as well. So this is the piece I'm attaching, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here as well. Just go in a nice circular motion, get a nice coat there. Now, while this is still wet, I want to get my cement on there. So I'm just going to, again, get it on both sides here. Try not to make a mess here, let it drip off. I'll start here. I'll ring there, ring the other way. And then here, going around the outside of my pipe here, getting some cement on there. So, you know, it's just like school. You just want to get some cement on there, just like you were doing your Elmer's glue. Back in the day, we all learned, you know, how to use glue pretty much in elementary. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Now is your chance. It's a lot of fun. So we're just going to get that on there. Attaching your piece, you're just going to slide it on. And then you just want to give it a little quarter turn and then hold it in place for 30 seconds, and that'll dry enough that you can let it go. So we're just going to hold it here for 30 seconds. And that is it. So here we are, 30 seconds. So it's going to continue to dry. In 15 minutes, it will actually be workable. So you can continue working on your project after just 15 minutes. And then in 2 hours, it will be completely cured, at which point, if you had a pressurized system, you can turn it on. So one last thing, again, with this cement, you just want a nice thin layer. You don't want too much to where it's dripping or puddling. That can actually impact its overall strength and then how it cures. So make sure you're not overdoing it with the cement there. But that's it. We're going to be working on this and finishing this up here in a little bit. Hopefully that was helpful.